Hello, I'm Kevin Grokey. It's widely acknowledged that teams working on older source code can spend upwards of 40% of their time in maintenance mode. For those of you in the trenches with legacy projects, these scenarios may be all too familiar. Comments that are out of sync with the code, vast swatches of unused code lingering just in case, and macros so confusing they might as well be ancient hieroglyphics. We understand these challenges. That's why we're here to offer a lifeline. Our tool Understand is not just a code solution. It's your team's new ally in its quest to take control of legacy code. With Understand, you can reclaim control, boost your team's efficiency, and uphold your team's coding standards. Let's transform how you manage legacy code and make your team's efforts count where they truly matter. Our journey at SciTools began in 1986 with a very clear goal: to make programmers smarter and safer. We don't just sell Understand, we use it every day to develop itself. With weekly releases, we're constantly refining it to meet both our standards and the evolving needs of our customers. It's also very common for our own programmers to request changes and make changes to Understand to improve their own lives, because if it helps us, it will likely help you. We also pride ourselves on providing the best customer support our customers have ever experienced, and just about every week we get an email from a customer to that effect. One team that's very familiar with maintaining a large code base is the Navy team at Dahlgren. They manage an immense legacy of code, millions of lines that span decades. They've crafted a set of coding standards to make sure any new or updated code is not just functional, but also readable and secure. After developing these coding standards and guidelines, they were on the lookout for a partner to help automate that validation as smoothly as possible. Strategic Systems Programs had a vested interest in helping the Dahlgren team. They weren't just interested in automating coding standards, but also actively sought out innovative methods to enhance the maintainability of legacy code for the entire Navy, and by extension, other military and government sectors. SSP and Dahlgren chose Understand to streamline their standards automation processes and help with code comprehension. Understand boasts a robust plugin system that serves as a powerful and extensible framework that can automate source code analysis. Using the SBIR program, SSP contracted with the Understand team at SciTools to create code check validation plugins for Understand and integrate it into their development environments. As we finalize this phase 2 at the end of 2023, the Dahlgren team has achieved a significant milestone: seamlessly integrating over 450 custom checks into their Jenkins production pipeline. This ensures that every new and altered line of code rigorously adheres to the high standards they've established. We'd love to review your team's coding standards and see how much overlap there is with the work we've already done for the Dahlgren team. Let's get your team on the same page. The Dahlgren team has effectively harnessed the code check features of Understand and customized it to fit their stringent requirements. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Understand offers a myriad of other functions, from unraveling and reworking complex code to providing visual graphs that clarify the structure you're dealing with. It has as many different applications as the diverse teams that rely on it. Whether you're working with ancient Fortran or Ada code or JavaScript written yesterday, Understand can help you make sense of it and collect whatever information is meaningful to you. Understand isn't just any tool, it's a community favorite. Trusted by pros in every sector, from business to government to the armed forces, it's the go-to for making sense of code and keeping it shipshape, proven time and again by the daily grind of thousands of engineers. So yeah, it's not just useful, it's essential. Is your team tangled up in complex legacy code or feeling the pressure of keeping mission-critical software on track? We get it. Our tools are built to ease those pressures. With our solutions, with Understand, you can weave in custom reports and code metrics right where you need them. Let's work together to polish up your code's quality and keep your development process smooth and strong. Ready to team up for better software maintenance? We're here to help. Whether your team has 100,000 or 100 million lines of legacy code to figure out, Understand's here with the right set of tools to help you solve problems, navigate through it, and boost your team's productivity. We'd love to brainstorm with you and figure out exactly the best way Understand can help your team. So give us a shout. let's talk about how we can make your development process smoother and smarter. Thank you.